perfect cube. So perfect cube is very similar to perfect square. Okay, so perfect square, the power will be 2. Am I correct? The general form of perfect square is n square, n power 2. So cube is nothing but power 3. Okay, the general form of a perfect cube is n cube, n cube. So cube is nothing but 3 times. Okay, so n cube, if you are expanding, the answer is n into n into n. You should multiply the same number 3 times. Okay, for perfect square, you will multiply the same number 2 times, but for perfect cube you are going to multiply the same number 3 times. Okay, so for example, the numbers are 1. Okay, 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. So 1 is a perfect cube as well as perfect square. Okay, next one, 8. What about 8? 8 is equal to, expand the 8, 4 2s are 8. Again, expand the 4, 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 8 is a perfect cube. Okay, so we can expand the given number as the product of the same number 3 times. Okay, so cube is nothing but 3 times. The general form of cube is equal to n cube. So in the previous exercise, we have learned how to do the perfect square root. Yes, so square root, if it is a perfect square root, the remainder will be 0. The remainder will be 0. So that is called a perfect square. Okay. Similarly, we are going to do the perfect cube. Okay. So first of all, you should find out the cubic of the given number. Then we can easily say that whether it is a perfect cube or not. Okay. So one example we can take. Find the cube root of 27,000. Okay, see, in square root we will have two methods. One is long division method and another one is prime factorization. Yes, to find a square root we had two methods, but when you are doing the cube root we have only one method, that is prime factorization. Okay, we cannot use long division method for perfect cube, but we can use it for perfect square. Okay, so let's do this by prime factorization method. Okay, actually this sum is very easy. The last number is 0, last three numbers are 0, so this number can be divided by 3. Okay, or else 9, but 9 is not a square number. Sorry, 9 is not a prime number. We should use only the prime number here, so I am going to take 3. Okay, this whole number can divided by 9. 9 will divided by 3. That's why I took 3 here, because we should use only the prime numbers. Okay, so compare 3 and 2. 2 is the smallest number. So take both number 27. 3 9s are 27. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. Now again, the first number is 9. Again, the 9 can divided by 3. This is the way you can find the divisor. Okay, so already you have learnt, I think, yes, in from 6th standard itself you have learnt how to find out the divisor. The same method I have used here. Okay, so 3 3s are 9. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. Again it can divided by 3. So 3 1s are 3. 0. 3 zeros are 0. Again 3 zeros are 0. 3 zeros are 0. Now all the numbers are 0. Here we have 1. So we can divide it by 5. Okay. 5 2s are 10. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. Again it can be divided by 5. 5 4s are 20. 2 is the smallest number. That's why I took 20. 5 4s are 20. 5 zeros are 0. Okay. Now 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. Now what about 8? 2 4s are 8. You just keep in mind, you have to use only the prime numbers. 4 you should not write here because 4 is a composite number, but 2 is a prime number. That's why 2 outside, 4 inside. Okay, this one you should remember always. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. So if you got 1, you can stop the procedure. Now 27,000 is equal to, write all the numbers, 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, very easy, no? But here we should find the perfect cube root. Okay, you have to find out the cube root. So cube root, in the sense you want to take three numbers as a set, because the general form of a cube root is n cube. So these three numbers are in one set. 3 into 3 into 3 can be written as 3 cube. 5 into 5 into 5 can be written as 5 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 can be written as 2 cube. Okay, now we should find out the cube root. Am I correct? So write cube root of 27,000 is equal to cube root of 3 cube into 5 cube into 2 cube. So in all the numbers we have a cube, so you just write as a general form 3 into 5 into 2 the whole cube. Okay, so this cube and cube root will get cancelled. So 3 into 5 into 2 is equal to 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30. So it's very easy now. Cube root of 27,000 is equal to 30. So 30 into 30 into 30 is equal to 27,000. Very easy, right? See, suppose if the order has changed, you want to write the same numbers in a particular order. Okay, 1 3 I written here. If suppose 5 is in between, you want to write all the set of 3 at first, after that 5, after that 2. Okay, the order you can change, no problem, but you want to make it as a perfect cube, that's all. So cube root of 27,000 is equal to 30. That's it.